What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the High Performance Trader. I am your host, Joshua Salvetti, and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to execute in the market effortlessly. Okay, I'm going to show you how to confidently enter into a trade, into a position, regardless of what may happen. You have no concern. Only thing you're worried about is to follow your process that has an 83% win ratio. Okay, so don't believe me? Go ahead, click that first link in my bio, and it's going to bring you directly to my website. Okay, where I break down our edge, our strategy in less than 5 minutes. Okay, it's a 3-step approach. Identify the open, right? Open print, critical level, a level with a lot of volume. Number 2, identify the crossover, okay, the moving average cross. Number 3, the RBI, the GBI, okay, very simple, but I in detail break this down so that you can start to execute the way you were always supposed to execute. 95% of traders fail. Right? And it's not because they're stupid or incompetent or they can't trade. It's because they're not following one strategy. Okay? They do not believe in one approach. If I show you the data the last 9 months, you click this button right here, you get 9 months of data, you too will start to believe, like these traders right here, of the importance of following one approach. Okay, so put your first, last name, email in, and I will send these to you directly for free to your email box. Okay, so get affiliated, get involved. It's going to really change the game for you, just like it did me. Okay, here's the day we're going to be talking about, May 27th, 2025. You can see here, beautiful trade, 88% ROI, around $600 per contract. And this is the thing, we took 3 different longs this day. 3 different longs that we called out in the Discord for the whole team to capitalize on. Okay, Josh, what were you looking at? Okay, well, the purpose of this video, like I said, is to help you identify a confident, easy 3-step approach that's going to get you in and out of the market. Okay, so let's break down what it is that I was looking at and why. Okay, so the day we're talking about is May 27th. The market looks something like this. Okay, we were gapping up significantly above the previous day. Okay, so here's previous day price action, right? We got all this crazy price, and now we're gapping up, what is this, around $5. Okay, so now I've been getting a lot of questions. A lot of traders want to know where it is I get my levels from. Okay, and here's the $1 million answer: the previous day, and then the previous day, and then the previous day. I'm always pulling daily time frame candles, not pre-market. Okay, not pre-market high or low, right? Yes, those levels are significant, but they're not critical. Okay, I need the critical levels, the levels with the volume. Okay, this is why we focus on the previous day high, the previous day close, open print. Okay, and then once we're gapping up, I'm now pulling from the previous day. Okay, so in this scenario, 58663 becomes my level of interest. Okay, whoever can defend this level, I'm looking to trade with. Okay, so number 1, identify the scenario. We have a bullish and bearish scenario. Price is either going to go up or it's going to go down. We need to figure out what's going to happen, and I have a very simple 3-step approach I'm going to show you on how to do that. Okay, so in the pre-market plan over here in the Discord, I broke down in very simple terms. Okay, I'm watching that level 58663, okay, which was Friday, the previous Friday's high, and whoever could defend that, I was going to trade with. Okay, so you'll see here, that's what I'm focused on. As the day opens, okay, we now have one job only: figure out who's controlling this level. Okay, so you'll notice here we start to get some selling. Open print is established. Okay, so now I stay patient. Yes, we're below that level, but my criteria is not present. I need the 3-step approach, so I stay patient, and then price comes up. We get a beautiful moving average cross. Okay, once we get the cross right here, I'm now looking for that red bar to be ignored. That is the RBI. Okay, so over here in the Discord, I'll show you exactly where I called this out. At 10:17 a.m., I'm calling out in longs. Once again, open print, moving average cross, RBI, in the market long. Where does my stop go? Directly below the previous candle. This is on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, you stick to this approach and you rinse repeat it each and every single day, you are going to start to get way more consistent. Okay, The main reason why I wasn't consistent is because my behavior wasn't consistent. My approach wasn't consistent, okay? There's no way you're ever going to get a repeatable outcome if your input is not repeatable, okay? You need to follow very simple rules. That way they're not hard. You don't forget them, okay? Very simple approach to get you in and out of the market. It was an absolute beautiful trade. You can see here, we're calling out when to trim. We took profits as price comes into our first target, locking in that beautiful move right here, okay? So guys, once again, my main goal, my main job, my purpose is to help you guys simplify this game. I spent years complicating it over and over. Okay, if you can learn to focus on the previous day important levels and then the previous day important levels, define market structure, and then figure out where that critical level of interest lies, okay? And then once you find it, you find out who is controlling it. And this is just a pretty way of saying whoever shows you the criteria, whether it be bullish or bearish, moving average cross, off open print, RBI, GBI, in the market long. That, my friend, will get you an 82% win ratio. I love you guys. Thank you for your time. Send this to somebody that needs it. Make sure you get involved with HPT. We are growing. We're a phenomenal community, right? We lift each other up, and we are setting that standard extremely high. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next lesson.